Sander made a Dubai chocolate inspired ice cream. Ayan, oh, wow! So yummy! Ang ginawa ni Sander dito yung pistachio cream. Ayan. Pistachio cream na may katayfi. Tapos, yung chocolate ice cream, binili lang namin syempre. Oh, ayan. Sarap yan. Dubai chocolate inspired ice cream. Let's eat. So yummy, so good.